Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Get an API key, confirm scopes, and note rate limits so you avoid throttling. Once done, install the official SDK or pick a lightweight HTTP client like Fetch or Axios. This speeds development. Make sure to set the base endpoint and secure credentials in environment variables rather than code. Then write a simple authenticated GET request to the health endpoint to validate connectivity and receive a predictable response before moving on. You now wire API endpoints into your app. Map each endpoint to a service or data model so responsibilities stay clear. Once mapped, implement pagination and exponential retries for transient failures, and centralize error handling to surface actionable messages. Make sure you serialize payloads to the API schema and validate responses against expected fields. This prevents runtime crashes. As you iterate, add unit tests for each service method and use a mock server to test edge cases without hitting production. You finish by optimizing network usage, batch requests, cache responses, and debounce user-triggered calls to reduce load and cost. Then add monitoring and structured logging so you can trace failures, configure alerts for high error rates or quota exhaustion. Finally, deploy with environment-specific configs and run end-to-end tests. If things go wrong, the single most effective check is to verify authentication tokens, quota limits, and exact endpoint URLs. Those three cover most integration failures and get.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.